I know that what I am presenting may be difficult to follow. Understanding that, I welcome questions to clarify questions or doubts. In this video, I will explain more about character armoring. There are 7 key segments where muscular tension typically accumulates. The aim is to eliminate how emotional and psychological blocks become embedded in physical form, often outside conscious awareness, and to offer a map for therapeutic release and integration. Reich's theory serves as the foundation. Armor forms at specific bodily points to shield emotions, sometimes cutting off awareness entirely. These tensions feel normal. They're automatic defenses protecting us from overwhelming feelings. The 7 segments of armoring are: number 1, the eyes; number 2, the jaw; number 3, the neck; number 4, the heart and chest; number 5, waist; 6, the belly; 7, pelvis and legs. Each segment is linked to developmental stages and emotional themes that, if unmet, manifest as muscular armor and characteristic physical and psychological patterns. The eye segment, ocular. The location is the scalp, the forehead, the eyes, cheeks, ears, the base of skull. The role is the interface for perceiving and thinking, our control center. The armor dynamics, chronic tension shields us from sensory overwhelm, social gaze, or painful memories we learn to not see or not hear to survive emotionally, creating rigidity that disconnects us from deeper feeling. The therapeutic path is allowing eyes to move slowly, breathing through this segment and noticing blocked awareness can loosen this armor. Awareness can then shift downward into more embodied feelings. 2, the jaw segment. The pattern is tension here often reflects suppressed assertiveness, holding back speech, anger, or zest. The jaw acts as the boundary between inner experience and external expression. Tension here signals an inability to say yes or no clearly. The therapeutic path is releasing jaw tension that can restore expressive capacity, enabling a freer flow between inner truth and outward voice. The neck segment. The pattern is tightness in the neck, which represents conflicts between head and heart, intellectual control over feeling, or vice versa. Meaning, a rigid neck can indicate fear of emotional vulnerability or disconnection from personal depth. Therapeutic path, gradual release supports alignment between thinking and feeling, enabling safer access to emotion. The heart and chest segment. The pattern is the armor here shows itself as emotional constriction, difficulty in loving, grief, or letting in warmth. Meaning its tension in the chest may block sadness, compassion, or intimacy. The therapeutic path is breathing into this area and noticing chest movement supports reconnection with emotional depth and relational openness. The waist segment. The pattern often experienced as rigidity at the personal boundary, holding on to identify or status against perceived external threats. The meaning. The waist girds autonomy and resistance. Armor here signals fear of change or loss. The therapeutic path is gentle movement and breath through the waist support. flexibility and openness to new experience. 6 is the belly segment. The pattern is tension in the abdomen often reflects control and anxiety, fear of losing control, or shame about intuitive or gut-based knowledge. Meaning, the belly holds our intuitive survival-based instincts. Armor here cuts off vital instinctive resonance. The therapeutic path is breathing into the abdomen, noticing rumblings or energy release helps restore trust in bodily knowing. 7. The pelvis and legs segment. The pattern is the deepest armor often resides here. Sexual and bodily shame, fear, and blocked energy. Meaning, as the foundation of embodiment and sexuality, this area primes either vitality or repression. The therapeutic path, this is the last armor to release, only accessible once other defenses are down. It holds primal fear and longing and can lead to profound transformation when engaged. The functional principles across the segments. Armor is both filled and empty. Some areas hold unexpressed energy, while others are protected by emptying out feeling entirely. Multiple layers of tension, which are superficial relaxation, can mask deeper constriction. Awareness needs to penetrate beneath conscious habit. The developmental roots. Each segment corresponds to a phase of growing energy and need, structured by unmet needs, traced from head to tail following embryonic and early life energy flow. Character patterns as armor maps. Personality and habitual behaviors are mapped in these segmented muscular tensions. Therapeutic practice. Understanding these segments empowers a therapeutic approach grounded in embodied awareness rather than abstract interpretation. By gently and curiously exploring segment by segment, we can unlock stored life and energy, restoring tenderness, clarity, vitality, and authentic contact with both our inner truth and the world.